if you press the emergency stop button, then you lose power on your cabin or on your side. So what you have to do is you have to release it and pull it and press the start button again. That's the start button next to the screen, the green one. What you need to look is the output light will switch on. That indicates that the output power is on. In case everything is on but still you haven't got power on your cabins, what you need to check is, of course, this unit has got RCD protection. One is behind this door. You have to switch it into off position, open this door and check the RCD. If that is tripped, you need to switch it back on, and if it trips again, then there is something going wrong on your load side, so you need to check the load. But that is not the only one. There is another RCD there, so you need to check this RCD as well.